Okay. Well, the storm is definitely hitting right now.
Hey, Dad, what's
We've got massive thunder showers going on.
Dad, come there.
And we'll probably get some good lightning.
Dad. Ooh.
And the thunder is really loud.
Mommy ate Angel's bone. She throws her bone.
What do you think, guys?
She's probably the largest charge. I think
Taylor flew up from
The
it.
funny thing is,
Whoa.
we got a lot of blue skies kind of all over the place, but
What?
we just got to wait for this thunder shower to pass on through. What do you think, girls?
Hey, Dad, get like.
Wow.
Whoa.
Whoa. Now listen.
The closest one was about 3 streets over. That.
She got first
Dad, if
That
it's
would be
wet-
thunder.
It's getting wet from there. Mine got wet from here, just one drop. Like,
What do you think about all this, man? It's not exactly boating weather. That's right. Still. I'm guessing there's going to be some flash flooding too, so we'll have to see.
It's already flooding in the middle of the street.
I'm going to say 20% chance of rain just went to 100%.
100.1.